Guys, in this video we will see how we can count words, letters and paragraphs. So when we type something in the text box, it will start counting. There is one word and one letter, and as soon I keep typing, you can see there are letters are being counted and words are being counted. So letters are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and plus is counting space as well. So this is new app. So here you can see that there are three buttons: clear, uppercase and lowercase. Lowercase will keep it lower, uppercase can increase it upper, and clear will clear everything. So let's see how we can achieve this one in our project. Let's build it together. So first of all, I've created on my desktop a new folder, and here I'm gonna start a new server, which npx create react app, and full stop mean I'm going to create within this folder, otherwise it will create a new folder. So it will take a couple of minutes depending on the internet speed, and once everything's set up we will start building from there. So everything have been installed, but yeah, I can see them now. Everything is in. So npm start to start the application. So here we can see that this is up and running. Let's make this one smaller and this one on the right hand side, so we can see both the items running at the same time. But we just need to tidy up and get rid of all this everything additional. We don't need that. Favicon, logos, manifest robot, I'm gonna just delete them. And in the source folder, same thing: app test, logo, report, web vitals, we don't need them, delete as well. Going back, can get rid of this. So as this app.js, we don't need this code at all. So here we can just simply say hello world to see if it's working fine. And I don't need this logo. We don't need this as well. Report vitals we have deleted, so hopefully it will be okay, because I need to save all of them. So yes, hello world is being printed. It means our basic setup is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring first of all, I'm going to create a new folder called components, and within this component folder I'm going to create a new file which will be counter.jsx. And also yeah, we don't need that rfce to create the basic code, and counter test, go in app.js, and then I'm gonna print here counter. So that's been imported automatically on top, and I can see the counter test has been printed, which means the counter file is ready. So here what we will do is create a counter app same as this. So there will be 3 divs with word, letters and paragraph, and then a text field, and then there will be 3 again button and preview if we need. If we don't need, we don't need it. But anyways, let's start with first thing first. I'm not gonna create CSS in this because CSS takes time, and also I assume that you will have a basic understanding of how CSS works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create from previous file, I'm gonna create new file, styles.css, and I will paste everything in there. I'll go in counter and import that styles.css, so we can implement that. Yeah, it should go now. So style we can open on the right hand side, so we can see that div gonna be class name wrapper, and inside div we will have something called h1 counter app, and then I will have a div, and in this div I will do class name counters, and within this div I'm going to create one div for now, and that will be h4 word, and then h2 will be count 0. So you can see there, because this counter is here, I have already done CSS, so it's coming on screen nice and easy. I will just duplicate 2 more time, so that will be letters, and that will be paragraphs. So yeah, we can see that, and after that we can have a text field which is text area name will be text, ID we can say text, okay, so this one need to go out of this div, so it will fall under, and here we can say placeholder your text here. Can shorten this because I just need to see those basically class names, and after that I can have another div for buttons, so button will be clear, and then will be 2 more buttons, uppercase and lowercase. Yeah, you can see that it's working fine because I've done everything in there. Text area is text area anyway, so we don't need this style sheet open, so we can see our file structure as well. Yeah, so now we have done the basic thing. Our app is ready. Now we just need to work the magic. Okay, this one close, this one close, this one close. So first of all, we need to set up a state which will set the text. Whatever we will find, type here, we will pick up and set in a state. So will be const text and set text equal useState, and for now I will say that it's empty. So here we can say value text. Okay, so then we can say that on change we need to set everything set text e.target.value. So basically for me to read it much easier. So basically what we're saying that on change, whatever change it will happen here, we just want to set everything in this state. So if we console log it and inspect that, you will see that See, whatever I'm typing is coming in here. Anyway, I don't know why it's giving me error, but as long as it's working fine. So here we're gonna again set text instead of console log. Yeah, so whatever we'll type, it will go in the set text. So now, how we can count the words. So basically, whatever we're gonna type that's the text. So we can, let's start with letters. So we can start with curly brackets and say text dot length. So whatever text dot length is, it will appear here. So let's see, this is the text. You can see that it's giving us the length, how long the text is. And but it's also counting the spaces. So if you don't want it, you can just simply that text dot trim dot length. So you can see it's gone down now. If you press space, it's not counting anything. So this is the beauty of trim. It will just remove all the empty spaces and everything. So now word. So word, basically how we can count the word. Words will be text dot length. So this will show us the letters, but we need to let JavaScript know that no, this is a letter, this is not a word. Word is one, we will press the space bar, you count it as a one word. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say text dot trim. So if there is space, don't touch it, don't count it, is greater than 0. Yeah, if an else statement. So then return text dot trim dot split, and I would say blank space dot length else 0. Spelling. Yeah, so now you can see this is one word. So you can see these are 1, 2, 3, 4 words and 16 letters. Amazing. So now the paragraph, how we will count the paragraph. So for the paragraph, we're gonna do the same thing. This is our paragraph. We will say text dot trim dot length is greater than 0. Then text dot split with, before we said split with the space, but this time around we're gonna say that either enter or break. So for this one, I will press / reverse / R and then reverse /n, and for November O, let's say \n / dot length. So here will be question mark. Else 0. So if there is anything, then show a number. If not, then just that. So now I'm typing, nothing is happening. As soon as I press enter, you can see there is second paragraph. So this is again, I'm typing nothing, enter paragraph. So this is magic. Nice. So this is fine. So again, now we need to work on these 3 letters. So press uppercase, it will go uppercase, lowercase will make them lowercase. So on the button section, what I'm going to do that, on click, I'm going to say run yeah, function. So set text to empty string. Yeah, so this will set everything to empty. That was simple, but again on click uppercase, we're gonna say that run another function. So this will be set text, but this time around I'm gonna ask them to pick up the text whatever inside dot to uppercase. So let's say I have typed this text, set it uppercase. Same way I'm gonna copy this, on click paste in lowercase and set to lowercase. So this is uppercase, I'm gonna set it to lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, cancel, clear. Okay, so now here, this is additional thing. I'm going to show you this preview. If you want something which we are typing here, you want to preview that here. What we can say, again, so simply we can run text. So whatever text in here, it will show here. So whatever text we are typing in this text area, it will show up here, and uppercase, make it uppercase, lowercase, and clear. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, to be honest. Let me know if you need any help, comment below. Thank you.